ORDRO M5 5K camera review. Why vloggers are raving about this handheld gadget. Feeling frustrated with shaky footage or bulky gear slowing you down? You're not alone. Many vloggers struggle with cameras that don't keep up with their creativity. Drop a comment if this resonates. The ORDRO M5 5K handheld camera offers a compact, all-in-one solution for filming, vlogging, or traveling, making shooting smooth, fun, and effortlessly professional. Tired of inconsistent shots, low-light struggles, or complicated settings? Imagine capturing crisp 5K footage with perfect stabilization and auto-tracking without learning technical controls. The ORDRO M5 promises freedom to focus on storytelling, not fiddling with gear. Whether for solo vlogs, travel diaries, or social media content, this compact camera keeps your creative flow uninterrupted. The ORDRO M5 5K handheld camera is a powerhouse designed for vloggers and content creators seeking portability and high-quality footage. It features 5K video capture and up to 48 megapixel photos for crisp, detailed visuals. The 3-axis electronic image stabilization smooths handheld footage, eliminating shakes even while walking or moving. Its 3.5-inch rotatable touchscreen allows framing yourself perfectly from any angle, while the 120 degrees wide-angle lens ensures you never cut out background or group shots. Intelligent modes include infrared night vision, face tracking, slow motion, and time-lapse, letting you film in low-light or fast-moving scenes effortlessly. Long-lasting battery life supports extended shooting sessions, and microSD card support up to 512 gigabytes ensures you never run out of storage. Included accessories: 64 gigabytes card, carrying bag, USB cable, and lanyard get you started immediately. One creator shared how it turned a chaotic travel vlog into smooth, professional footage. Pro tip: use face tracking in crowded scenes for perfectly focused subjects without constant adjustment. The ORDRO M5 doesn't just capture footage. It transforms how you create content. Its compact, lightweight design makes it ideal for travel, vlogging, and on-the-go shooting. Experts highlight the 3-axis stabilization as a game-changer for handheld filming, while influencers praise the 3.5-inch rotatable touchscreen for effortless self-framing. Users consistently report smooth 5K video quality that rivals larger cameras, with night vision and face tracking ensuring clarity in low-light or dynamic scenes. One tech influencer commented, "The M5 stabilization genuinely works. It's like having a gimbal built in." Amazon users rave about long battery life and easy-to-use auto modes, perfect for beginners or solo creators. Parents and young vloggers love the simple Wi-Fi transfer to phones for quick editing. Whether filming fast-paced travel clips, family events, or casual social content, this camera keeps focus sharp and movement smooth. Imagine less time correcting shaky footage and more time enjoying your shoots. Which feature excites you most? Night vision, wide-angle lens, or stabilization? Comment below and share your thoughts. Your feedback might inspire someone else's next great vlog. Don't wait to level up your content creation. The ORDRO M5 5K camera combines stabilization, high-resolution video, and intuitive controls in one compact device. Grab yours now and experience effortless vlogging, smooth travel footage, and clear low-light shooting. Included accessories, long battery life, and face tracking make it perfect for beginners and pros alike. Click now to unlock the convenience of wireless file transfer and start creating professional quality videos today. Transform your shoots, tell your story, and make every frame count.